everybody, it's Christine. It is the first, which means it is Counterfeit Kit Challenge Reveal Day. Let me show you the kit. It was an inspiration kit. Oh, I believe it's a not for just for boys. We'll have the links below. But basically, here's the B-sides. It's kind of got this teal, purple, yellow. There's a little green letters. Oh, I just realized there's a gray hickory smoke ink here. So I'd pull that out. There's kind of the mood board. It's got this green, again, with these purples and blues. And then here's kind of a bigger shot. So you can kind of sense, again, if you get the sense of the green, the teal, and the purple. And there's the A sides. Just some more shots here. So that is the kit, basically. Now, what I had here, I'm cheating, y'all. I'm totally cheating because I actually had this 2015 Bow Bunny collection in my stash here. It's called Enchanted Garden. And look at this, y'all. I've got the teals and the purples and the neutrals. There's our teal. This was so perfect. I was just like, oh my gosh, I can bash some Bow Bunny here. And look, it's got the little purples in there and the greens. I've got these great sheets, y'all. I've got tons of papers left here. Purple, teal. This whole collection is right alongside that color palette. Isn't that beautiful? I'm just going to show you guys the papers real quick. There's a neat little dragonfly. Again, this was called Enchanted Garden, so it's kind of old. I love this little herringbone here. This is cool. It's on the back side of the cut-aparts. Probably use the herringbone, to be honest. Here's some more little cut-aparts. Now, some of these could be cut out. Like, you could definitely fussy cut. Look at that little owl there. And there's little mushrooms on this side. Oh, look at the little gnome, y'all. That's too cute. Another one of the herringbone. There's this pretty green with this pretty stripe here. And then I went ahead and I did pull in from my stash a couple of double dots because in the collection, let me get back over here. In the collection, in the papers, there's a couple of these darker colors. So I went ahead and pulled these in as well. Now I still have quite a bit of the embellishment stuff. So I have some of these stickers. I have these little swirly stickers. There's letter stickers, but that's actually not the main ones I'm going to use. And then I have, these are little scraps and stuff I've had before. There's little cards, little scraps of paper. You know, you can see all that. And then I have, there's actually, I don't know how I had this, but it's called Noteworthy. There's a bunch of little pieces of ephemera here, y'all. Look at all that. And there's actually even neat little, like, book pages. So this should be fun. I haven't used something like that in a while, but you can see there's, like, little pictures of flowers. You can kind of see what's in here. I think I've used these gnomes. I'll have to double check what I got in here. But there were butterflies and mushrooms and gnomes and stuff. And then I still also had this ephemera pack, which has some layered stickers. There's some flowers. There's some little jewels in here, y'all. I think there's even stamps in here. Let me see real quick. This isn't technically, yeah. Oh my gosh. Was this part of this kit? This doesn't look like part of this kit, but maybe it was. I don't think so, but if not, that got stuck in there. That's kind of funny. I have two sets of those stickers somehow. All those little jewels, there's more stickers, buttons. So I guess the point is I have a ton of stuff to work with. So, and then I pulled these from stash. These are both from Hit Kit collections in the past. This is a Pink Fresh, which is kind of aligned with the letters they show in the kit. So I've got that, but then I also thought to bring in these purples because I had those, and I thought, you know, I'm going to end up with something without enough letters. So, yeah, I got plenty of E's here, which is good. I have some E's here. Hey, look at that. I mean, who knows what my tile's going to be, but anyway, so that is my kit that I'm starting with here, y'all. I'm pretty pleased. I feel like I've kind of cheated, but I had this in my stash, and I need to use it. I mean, my goodness, it's 2014, so let's get it used, right? So I will take some pictures, and you'll see some stills on my Instagram at Scrapping Harden. And make sure you check out the link on the blog. The blog will show all of our different challenges and stuff. I do typically do the challenge on the 18th, so you can watch for that. And we'll see you this month. Talk soon.